Welcome to the tutorial video of the Hungarian Food Business Catalogue for buyers. Hungarian Food Business Catalogue is a real-time online platform which categorizes Hungarian food manufacturers and their products, thus making them transparent and easily accessible for foreign purchasers. To find the Hungarian Food Business Catalogue, type www.hungarianfoodexport.com. To get access to the system, please click on the registration button. Firstly, you have to select the type of user you want to register as. Please choose buyer. After having chosen your account type, please add your title, enter your name, phone number, email address, and your position at the company. Marked with the red asterisks are the mandatory fields. Please make sure that all information is entered accurately. When you're finished, click on the Continue button. On the second page of the registration wizard, please enter the details of the company you represent, such as the company name, tax number, website, country, city and postcode, and the short company description. It is important to note that you can only add the text with a maximum length of 1000 characters. If both two pages have been fully completed, please choose which product categories you are interested in. It is possible to choose one or more categories, of course. On the next page, please indicate the countries you are willing to import. Your registration has reached the final stage. Please read carefully the terms and conditions and the privacy policy. If you agree to them, please tick the checkboxes to accept them. Finalize your registration by clicking on the Submit button. The site administrators will review your registration request in accordance with the terms and conditions. Once your request is accepted, the system will send you the confirmation email, including the password for your first login. To first log into the system, click Login and enter your user credentials. For username, enter the email address you provided during registration, and for password, enter the code you received in your confirmation email. Now click Login to enter the site. This password later can be changed on the Edit Your Profile anytime. The platform welcomes you with the About menu, where you can find more information about the Hungarian Food Business Program. You can check the map of the site, read the general terms and conditions, as well as the privacy policy. Click on the Edit Profile icon in the top right corner in order to edit your company profile and your login details. Please fill in your missing company details or modify the data that has already been uploaded. Please do not forget to upload your company logo, add your social media accounts, and the photo of your company representative. Always click Save button before leaving the page to save changed data. After having refreshed your account, you can start browsing among export-ready Hungarian suppliers. Use the complex filtering feature on the left to find the manufacturer you are interested in easily and quickly. Have a look at their company profile and product data sheets and get in touch with them directly by sending them private messages via the chat function. Under the Products menu, you will find the 13 main product categories. By clicking on a tile, you will see the products belonging to that category. If you open any of the products data pages, you will find the most important products and logistical information. You can also generate and download a product catalogue of your interest. By clicking on the bell icon in top right corner, you will find the notifications of everything that happens in the system. In the Events menu, you can see the exhibitions and B2B meetups where Hungarian companies participate at. If you would like to attend one of the meetings organized by Agricultural Marketing Center, please register first. After your application has been approved, you can message your meetings with Hungarian producers easily. By clicking on Manage My Time Slots, you can book a negotiation appointment at participating companies. If the time slot is available at the company you want to meet with, the field is marked with green color. Unavailable appointments are marked with red, while taken appointments are with gray. Select the time slot that suits you and click on the Book button. After your appointment request has been accepted, you get a notification. If you have a question, don't hesitate to email us at export@amc.hu.